Number 1. 1984 GMC Silverado 4x4 Shortbed 6.2 diesel, $7,700, Coeur d'Alene, Idaho. This 1984 GMC Silverado 4x4 Shortbed comes with a durable 6.2-liter diesel engine paired with an automatic transmission. Equipped with air conditioning, tilt wheel, power windows, and power locks, it offers a well-optioned package for its era. With only 77,123 miles, it remains all original and rust-free, presenting a solid candidate for collectors or enthusiasts considering an LS swap. Clean title in hand adds value. Number 2. 1966 Chevrolet Factory 4x4 K10, $8,000, Boulder City, Nevada. A genuine factory 4x4 K10, this 1966 Chevrolet is powered by a 350 V8 with a 4-speed manual and granny low gear. Originally a Nevada ranch truck, it features many recent replacements including fuel system, exhaust, ignition components, and cooling system. While rust is present in floors, fenders, and rockers, it drives exceptionally well and retains character from its working past. Equipped with brand new BF Goodrich all-terrain tires. Number 3. 1984 Toyota Pickup, $9,500, Kent, Washington. This 1984 Toyota Pickup is a rare survivor with only 47,559 miles. Featuring an automatic transmission, it is reported to be in excellent shape both mechanically and cosmetically. Known for durability and reliability, these compact trucks are increasingly collectible, especially in such well-preserved condition. Clean title included. Number 4. 1983 Ford F350 Dually, $8,900, Thornton, Colorado. A heavy-duty classic, this 1983 Ford F350 Dually offers an 8-cylinder gas engine with a manual transmission. The truck has a clean black finish with nearly new tires, plus a well-kept interior and exterior. While featuring manual locks and windows, it stands out as a straightforward, functional dually with only 79,000 miles. Number 5. 1962 Ford F250 Pickup, $7,500, Spokane Valley, Washington. This 1962 Ford F250 runs the dependable 223 inline-6 with a 4-speed manual and granny gear, restored with new tires, rebuilt carburetor, updated fuel system, refreshed cooling, new seals, and upgraded suspension. It maintains originality while being highly usable. With 36,000 miles, it remains a strong working truck, but geared low for highway use. Clean Washington title included. Number 6. 1981 Chevrolet C10 Short Box, $11,600, Portland, Oregon. This 1981 Chevrolet C10 Short Box features a 6-cylinder with a 4-speed manual. Recently refreshed with a new windshield, carpet, interior, grille, mirrors, and bumper, it has been lowered and fitted with staggered wheels. Patina paint highlights its originality, while mechanical condition is reported excellent. With 130,000 miles, this square body offers vintage appeal with tasteful updates. Number 7. 1985 GMC Sierra C10 Shortbed, $12,500, Perris, California. A true California survivor, this 1985 GMC Sierra Shortbed has only 47,000 original miles. Powered by a 4.3-liter V6 and automatic transmission, it has been professionally lowered with Boyd wheels and rides smoothly. The truck remains rust-free, with its interior in excellent shape. Repainted black over 20 years ago, it still shines as a dependable daily driver and collectible square body. Number 8. 1980 Chevrolet C30 one-ton dually, $4,795, Pierce, Colorado. This 1980 Chevrolet C30 dually runs a 350 V8 with a 4-speed manual. With 47,654 miles, it remains in excellent condition with new rear brake cylinders, new alternator, new battery, and dual tanks. The original interior and steel utility deck with gooseneck hitch add practical value, making it a great workhorse. Clean Colorado title. Number 9. 1986 Nissan D21 pickup, $950, Eugene, Oregon. Offered at a budget price, this 1986 Nissan D21 hardbody has 257,619 miles and runs with a 5-speed manual. It requires a new head gasket, as coolant loss is an issue, but the drivetrain remains in working order. Used as a work truck for nearly 20 years, it could serve as a restoration project or a solid parts vehicle. Clean title included. Number 10, 1988 Ford F250 HD, $1,500. Sisters, Oregon. This 1988 Ford F250 HD needs an engine rebuild or replacement, but its 460 engine is paired with a strong C6 automatic transmission. The body and interior are in excellent shape, with all accessories and electricals working properly. At 118,000 miles, it represents a solid project truck, especially given its well-preserved structure. Number 11. 1976 Ford F250, $12,000, Athens, Texas. This one-owner 1976 Ford F250 features a rebuilt factory V8 with automatic transmission, showing only 46,500 miles. With working heat and air conditioning, new tires, and a solid body, it is well maintained and in good overall condition. A desirable classic heavy-duty truck with documented history. Number 12. 1986 Ford F250, $5,000, Larkspur, Colorado. Equipped with a 460 V8, 4-speed manual, and 4-wheel drive, this 1986 Ford F250 is a strong driver. Purchased from the original owner, it has 164,000 miles and retains a rust-free cab and front clip, though typical rust appears over the rear wheel arches. Recently updated fuel system and solid drivetrain make it a dependable choice. Clean title included. Number 13. 1988 Dodge Ram D150, $2,000 Dolores, Colorado. This 1988 Dodge Ram D150 runs a 318 V8 with throttle body injection and a 4-speed manual. With 134,000 miles, it remains in good condition with solid bed interior and nice interior overall. Formerly a government truck, it shows minimal wear for its age. Affordable and collectible, needing only minor attention. Number 14. 1987 Dodge Ram D350 Dually Flatbed, $4,000, Sequim, Washington. The 1987 Dodge Ram D350 is a 1-ton dually flatbed with a 360 V8 and automatic transmission. Having sat for several years, it runs but requires tuning or fresh fuel. With only 73,714 miles indicated, it remains a clean workhorse candidate with provisions for a gooseneck or fifth-wheel hitch. Clean Washington title. Number 15. 1989 Chevrolet DU R35, $4,500, Crane, Oregon. A 1-ton utility truck, this 1989 Chevrolet DU R35 is powered by a 350 engine with a 4-speed manual. The bed measures 9 feet by 7.5 feet, making it ideal for heavy-duty work. With 49,484 miles on the odometer, no rust, and a solid interior, it stands as a dependable former county rig. Price is firm at $4,500.